Happy Monday, guys. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to start this week. Hope you guys were able to see all the good, cool stuff we have in our packet that we will be working on this week and for the rest of the month. I forgot to tell you guys. Do you guys know what today is? It's Star Wars Day. It's May 4th. May the Force be with you. Okay? So, because it's Star Wars Day, we thought we would make this week outer space. Okay? So we have lots to do, and we're going to start with our letter of the week. Do you guys remember what letter we're doing this week? Last week, we did the letter T, and we learned that T says what? T, t, t. So this week, this is how our letter looks like. Super easy, that's all. Hold your two fingers up. And it's the letter U. And the U says The U says The U says Every letter makes a sound. The U says like umbrella. Okay, so put your skywriters up and we're going to trace. We start here at the top. We go down, make a loop, and make a line up. That's capital U. Lowercase u, it's the same way. We just make it smaller. Down, up. Okay? The U says The U says Every letter makes a sound. The U says What friends have the letter U in their name? Do you have the letter U in your name? I do not have the letter U in my name. But this friend does have the letter U on his name. Do you know what friend that is? It's Luca. Luca has the U in his name. Luca. Okay? There's two more friends that have the letter U in their names. See if you guys could guess. Do you know who they are? Our friend Monique and our friend Samuel. There's the U for Samuel, and there's the U for Monique. So Monique, Samuel, and Luca have the letter U in their name. Okay, so when you are done, don't forget to do this week. This is your letter U worksheet. Okay, letter U, we write capital U and lowercase u all on the bottom, and we are practicing. So if you say, I can't do it, it's okay. That's why we're practicing, and you're going to try your best to write the capital U and lowercase u at the bottom. We're going to find all the U's and color them in, capital U's and lowercase u's. We write our name. So, which of these three pictures start with the letter U? So these are stairs, and it's pointing up. So it means up. Snowman. Umbrella. Which two pictures begin with the letter U and have the sound? Well, one is easy, the umbrella, because our letter poster has an umbrella. So you're going to color the umbrella. Then you're going to draw the umbrella in one of these squares. So is it snowman or up that begin with the letter U? Up. So you're going to try to draw an arrow going up. Sounds good? Okay, so this is what you have to do with this worksheet. But we have other things to do. And do you guys remember what the theme was for this week? I said it in the beginning. Do you guys remember? It is outer space. And we're going to be talking about outer space. Do you guys know what outer space is? Is it the sky? Kinda. Okay, so we're going to talk about outer space. So, outer space, when you look up in the sky, you see the sky and it's blue. And then when it's nighttime, it's dark. Maybe it's black. You see some stars shining bright. And we see our sun and the moon. And there's clouds. So this, I'm going to draw Earth. So this is Earth. Okay? It's only half of Earth. And on this side, this is where we see our clouds, our sun, and our moon. Try to make a moon. My moon looks kind of funky, right? So that's what we see when we look up in the sky. And then if it's dark, we see some stars, right? So that's the sky. So this is just what we're able to see when we look up, if it's day or night. But way up higher in the sky, there is a gazillion stars. There's so many stars everywhere, and we are able to see a few of them. And some, they're so far away that we are not able to see them. So all those little dots are like stars in the sky. But in the sky, we also have planets. Have you heard of planets? You have? Good. So what planet do we live in? Earth. We live in planet Earth. And our planet Earth is in outer space. So from Earth, we're able to see clouds and moon and the stars. And sometimes on a very special time, we are able to see other planets. Okay, so I'm just, the circles are other planets, okay? And there's 8 other planets in the sky. So tomorrow we're going to learn more about them. But what planet do you live in? Earth, right? And since we're going to talk about planets and outer space, we need to build our rocket ship so we are able to get there. So in your packet, you have some worksheets that have squares like this, and it's orange, and there's lots of them, and they have letters on them. And then you have a small red sheet with this on it. Okay, so I got mine, and I already cut mine. Okay, all my letters. So the letters are your name. Look at that. It's your name. So what we're going to do is, once you are done cutting all your letters, you are going to put your name in order. Okay? So once you can put it, glue them on your paper, stick them together. But that's what we're doing. So I'm putting together my name. And I'm trying to use tape. You could use tape or glue and glue it somewhere else. And if you don't have that available, you could just put it on your table and put them in the right order. And then another time when you have the glue, you could glue it to put it together. Glue it or tape it, whatever you can. But your job is to build a rocket with your letters and the letters in your name. So I put my letters and my name and I glued on my rocket. Oh, so let me put the back. Do you guys see something that's missing? What is missing on my rocket? The tip. So your job is to go find another piece of paper or anything, and you get to make your own tip for your rocket. My rocket's falling apart, guys. But I had an extra square, and guess what? I am gonna cut a triangle out of my extra square, and that's gonna be my tip for my rocket. Look at that. Let me show you. My tape doesn't want to work. So if you have an extra square, you could use your extra square, or you could use another piece of paper that you have at home. So look at that. We just did our rocket. Our rocket, because we're going to outer space. Look at that. All right. So that's what we're doing today. When you're done with that, today I want you guys to do these worksheets. We're going to practice tracing. Okay, so you have 3 of these. And we're going to practice tracing the lines and helping the little aliens get to where they need to go. Okay? Then you are going to do this one. So you're going to look for your worksheet that has the rockets on them. And I already colored mine. But I did a mistake. I did not read the directions, guys. So it's important to always read the directions before you start. Okay? So it says, color the small rockets yellow, and color the medium rockets blue, and color the large rockets red. And I started decorating the rockets before I read the instructions. But that's okay, because we can fix it. So you need the yellow, blue, and red color. So it could be crayon, color pencil, or marker. So I got my marker, and it says, color the small rockets yellow. So I'm going to look at my small rockets, and I'm going to color them in. That's a small rocket. That's a small rocket. Boop. Color them yellow. So, and then my blue rockets, I'm going to color them. The medium rockets, I'm going to color them blue. So I'm going to look for the medium rockets, and I'm going to color them blue. And I just realized I scrabbled, but I'm going to try my best to stay inside the lines. And then what color do I color my large rockets, guys? Red. Good job. So I'm going to find my red rockets, and I'm going to color them in. Okay, I'm going to show you, and then tomorrow I'm going to show you all the ones that I colored. So my big rockets are going to be red. My little rockets are going to be yellow, and my medium rockets are going to be blue. Okay? And then I colored mine, but to finish for the day, once you're done coloring, you're going to grab your marker and you're going to trace the numbers on the comments. Okay? And just like so. So we'll review it again tomorrow. But I hope you guys have fun with all the activities that we're doing today, that we did today, and that you get to do. And I hope you guys are excited for this week. I love you guys. Bye.